This week for writing, we're going to be learning about taking notes in an interview. We're going to be practicing taking down notes with information that we've got from asking relevant questions about a topic. This time we're going to be asking questions about somebody's job. We're beginning to understand the world of work by learning about jobs that people who are close to us do. For this task, you'll need somebody to interview, a piece of paper, a pencil, and a rubber. The person is going to need to answer questions about their job, so make sure that they know this in advance. Step 1. Start off by planning your interview. You need to decide what questions you're going to ask. There are some ideas at the end of this presentation. You will need to get your pieces of paper and your pencil and make headings on the piece of paper with your questions. Remember to leave space to write your notes about the person's answer when you're doing the interview. Step 2. It's interview time. Make sure that the person that you're interviewing has time to answer your questions and try to find somewhere nice and quiet where you can sit down and speak to them. Ask your questions clearly and take notes on the answers. Write down any extra information that you get as well. If there's anything that you're not sure about or you forgot to write it down, you could ask the person to repeat themselves. Remember to say thank you at the end of the interview to the person who has given you their time. Here are some example questions for your interview. First off, you could ask them, what is your job? What is your favourite thing about your job? What is the hardest thing about your job? Why did you want to do that job? Is your job how you expected it would be before you started? What are 3 main skills you need to do your job? Have you done any other jobs in your life? If so, what were they, and did they help you to get this job? You might be able to think of some more interesting questions yourself.